Children, today we are going to do word problems on proportion. So let's continue with exercise 8.3, question 7. If the first, second and fourth terms of a proportion are 3, 11 and 55, find the third term. Children, you have to be very careful while writing the terms of a proportion. Here, first term is 3, second term is 11, fourth term is 55, and we have to find out third term, so let's suppose it is x. Now terms are in proportion, and I hope children you remember when terms are in proportion, product of means is equal to product of extremes. Now for product of means, multiply second and third term, so we have 11 into x is equal to, for product of extremes, multiply first and fourth term, so it is 3 into 55. Transpose 11 to other side. Now here it is being multiplied by x. When we transpose, it will get divided. So we have x is equal to 3 into 55 upon 11. Now 11 ones are 11 fives are. So 3 fives are 15. So it means third term of proportion is 15. Now let's do question 8. The ratio of the length to the width of a school playground is 5:3. If the width of the ground is 66 meters, find the length of the playground. Now here we are given the ratio of length to width as 5:3, and we have to find out actual length of the playground. If actual width is 66 meters, and children, the order of ratio on both sides of proportion should be same. So it is length is to width. So let's write. So length ratio width is 5:3. And we have to find out actual length. So let's suppose it is x meters. And actual width is 66 meter. So 5:3 is proportion to x ratio 66. So product of means is equal to product of extremes. For product of means, we will multiply second and third term. So it is 3 into x is equal to, for product of extremes, we will multiply first and fourth term. So it is 5 into 66. Transpose 3 to the other side. Now here it is being multiplied by x. When we transpose, it will get divided. So x is equal to 5 into 66 upon 3. Now 3 ones are 3, 22s are 66. So x is equal to 5 into 22, which is 110. So actual length of playground is 110 meters. Now let's check what is the ratio of actual length to actual width. So it is 110 upon 66. Now 11 tens are 11 6 are 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6. So we have 5 upon 3, which can be expressed as 5:3. So children, the ratio of actual length to actual width is 5:3, which is same as the given ratio as 5:3. Now let's do question 9. Now the ratio of income to expenditure of a family is 9:4. Find the income if the savings are rupees 7,200. So here we are given ratio of income to expenditure as 9:4. So let's write. Now we are given actual savings which are rupees 7200 and we have to find out actual income. So let's suppose it is X rupees. Now children, here we observe that first quantity is same on both sides of the proportion, that is income, but the second quantity expenditure is not same. Here it is savings. So either it should be savings on both sides of the proportion or it should be expenditure on both sides of the proportion. And according to our question, we are given actual savings which is rupees 7200. So we will find out the ratio of income to savings. So let's find out. Now we can understand it like this: if income is rupees 9, then expenditure is rupees 4, and we know income is equal to savings plus expenditure. So savings is equal to income minus expenditure. So we have rupees 9 minus rupees 4. So it is equal to rupees 5. So savings is equal to rupees 5. So now we can write income ratio savings is proportion to actual income ratio actual savings. So here income ratio savings is now 9:5, because here you can see savings is rupees 5. Now here we have to find out actual income. So we have already supposed it as X, and actual savings are rupees 7200. Now quantities are in proportion, so product of means is equal to product of extremes. So for product of means, we will multiply second and third term, so it is 5 into X. And for the product of extremes, we will multiply first and fourth term, so it is 9 into 7200. Transpose 5 to the other side. So here it is being multiplied. When we transpose it to the other side, it will get divided. So X is equal to 9 into 7200 upon 5. Cancel out common factors. So here we have 5 ones are 5, and here we will get 1440. And after multiplying 1440 by 9, we get rupees 12,960. So actual income is rupees 12,960. Now let's do question 10. The ratio of Pawan's age to the age of his younger brother is 7:5. Now if his younger brother is 25-year-old, find out the age of Pawan. So here let's write ratio of Pawan's age to his younger brother's age is 7:5. and we have to find out actual age of Pawan. So let's suppose it is X, and the actual age of younger brother is 25 years. So it is X ratio 25, and these are in proportion. So product of means is equal to product of extremes. For product of means, multiply 5 and X. So we have here 5 into X is equal to, for product of extremes, multiply 7 and 25. Transpose 5 to the other side. So it will get divided. So we have X is equal to 7 into 25 upon 5. So 5 ones are 5 fives are 25. So X is equal to 7 fives are 35. So it means actual age of Pawan is 35 years. Children, I hope you have understood how to solve word problems on proportion. Now for worksheet questions, do exercise 8.3 question 6.